Ano yung inspiration mo doing this? Is this a true to life thing na ginawa mong movie like what you did dun sa Sugat sa Dugo or parang just sa
I would like also to thank the to give attention to one of our producers, Rick. Hi, Rick. Hello. Say hello to the friends.
Everyone.
Hello. These are dear friends. It was conceptualized during the shooting of Sugat sa Dugo. Kasi during the pandemic, wala akong ginawa kundi manood ng Netflix. Which I told you before. Kaya lang yung pandemic lang pa, so wala akong choice but to watch. And then I realized na may mga nagna-number 1 sa Netflix. So I had like 5 genres, and one of them nga is suspense thriller. Ngayon, nung inanap ko na siya, lumawak yung storya. And then, actually, yung story was, kailan ba kayo direct?
Last year.
Last year, nag-usap na kami with the writer, si Chris Cash, in June. And then, finally natapos yung script in December after 4 revisions. And then, when it landed on the hands of Direk, nagkaroon pa ng 5th revision. So, probably maayos na yung script kasi I told the writer, do everything, just make sure walang butas lahat ng scenes. So, yun yun.
Yung tanong pa lang sa mga new breed